Hello, hi everyone, welcome to my channel Crazy with Cooking. Today I'm gonna make perch fish. How to seasoning this perch. I'm gonna bake in my what they call this one. I'm gonna show you how to cook an air fry, guys. So easy and simple. Okay, now the main important thing, I'm gonna show you how to seasoning this fish. Okay, very easy. First I'm gonna go ahead put salt. You always need salt, okay? Just put enough. And then second, chicken broth powder. Chicken broth powder right there. This is make you fit good taste. Chicken broth powder and soy sauce. In the household cooking, we have used soy sauce and fish sauce. Never miss in my house. Always gonna have my ingredient: fish sauce and soy sauce. Then number 4, don't you forget about sesame oil, okay? The sesame oil right here make food taste so good and benefits also make you stay younger. But you eat sesame seed, but you have to eat every day in your life, not just eat one time. You just say I want to stay young. No, you gotta eat this every day with all kind of meal, all kind of food you cook. That's how the Korean, the Japan people they eat it. And the last one, white pepper. White pepper make a spice a little bit. If you like spice, use white pepper. You don't like, you don't have to. So this is my seasoning. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead marinate right now. Massage, make them good taste get in the body. This is a lot of ingredient. You always have to mix oil. Put oil a little bit, but I just have the oil, okay? Just a little bit. Put it in here, make it taste moist. That's it, guys. And just keep mixing. The important thing you cook is seasoning right here. That's the main important thing. Alright, let's go bake in air fry. Just put in our air fryer right here. Very easy cooking. Alright, let's put all out. Let them cook. Very easy. Only 10-15 minutes. Your food ready to eat. So simple. Air fry, guys. How to cook in air fry. I love this machine right here. Love it. It's so easy and making no time. Cooking no time, guys. Okay. So right there. Okay. And close it up, make sure it's on it. See? Close it up. Alright, I pick fish. I would say 15 minutes. No, hold on. Add more. I would say 18 minutes, guys. Okay, yeah, start. How simple is that? Cooking in air fry is very easy cooking, no time, and food tastes so healthy and good, better than deep fry. Alright, I'll be back another 18 minutes. Let them cook. Okay guys, while I'm baking the fish in air fry, I'm cooking brown rice. Eat very healthy brown rice. Look at brown rice, guys. Okay, look at this healthy brown rice. You have to buy from Asian market. If you want to eat good brown rice, you have to buy from Korean rice, Thailand rice, or Japan rice. Okay, Asian rice period. So this is very good healthy brown rice. Okay, close it up. Let them steam some more. And that's it. Cooking right now. Almost get ready. Okay, after 18 minutes, guys, take a look. Wow, it's perfect cook. You see that? Perfect cook. Alright, let's go put it in a plate and eat it. Okay, first I'm gonna go ahead and pick up the rice. Brown rice, healthy rice. Eating. Okay. Perfect cook. See that? Wow. Hot. hot sauce right here. Seafood, loud hot sauce, seafood sauce, okay? Green sauce, green pepper. And this sauce I used to put in Amazon and sell and on Thai market. Amazon too slow, so I just go ahead take it out and cancel. But this sauce is so good. I know everybody gonna miss, so I don't continue anymore because it's too slow. Dipping with dipping sauce, seafood sauce right here. How they look, guys. There you have it. Grill fit in air fry. Healthy and delicious, especially that brown rice guy. So beautiful. There you go. Tell me how that tastes, right? Hot sauce, everything. Healthy, delicious food. That's a good rep. And let me know how good is that. Perfect. 18-minute air fry. Recommend air fry, guys. Air fry is perfect cooking and easy cooking with no time. Anybody don't know how to cook cooking, you use air fry. Everybody know how to do it. Then you become air fry.
Cooking for dummies.
You know,
Air fry.
yeah, and then especially seasoning is important too. And my seafood sauce right here, seafood gel. You know it. Thank you very much. And if you like this video, thumbs up, subscribe. I show you more cooking, easy and no time. Thank you. Bye bye.